Privy Council Appeal Number 54 of 1913. Chief Young Didi and another. Appellants. Versus. The African Association, Limited. Respondents. From. The Supreme Court of Southern Nigeria. Judgment of the Lords of the Judicial Committee of the Privy Council delivered the 27th of March 1914. Present at the hearing. Lord Dunedin. Lord Mersey. Lord Moulton. Delivered by Lord Dunedin. The claim in this action was for a declaration of title in favor of the plaintiffs suing on behalf of the tribal family entitled the House of Kulo, as regards certain beaches situated at Donimbaras in southern Nigeria, in the occupation of the defendants. It is admitted that the defendants and their predecessors have been in occupation for a period prior to 1879. The original defense was based on the pleas of possession and the statutes of limitation. At the trial, Privy Council Appeal Number 127 of 1927. Eshhugbe Yeliko, Appellant. Versus. The officer administering the government of Nigeria and another, Respondents. From. The Supreme Court of Nigeria. Judgment of the Lords of the Judicial Committee of the Privy Council, delivered the 19th of June, 1928. Present at the hearing. The Lord Chancellor. Lord Buckmaster. Lord Warrington of Clive. Delivered by the Lord Chancellor. The facts which give rise to this appeal can be shortly stated, but the question of law involved is one of grave constitutional importance to His Majesty's subjects in this country, as well as in the overseas dominions. By the deposed chief's removal ordinance of 1917, as amended in 1925, it was provided that when a native chief or a native holding any office under a native administration or by the in the Supreme Court of Nigeria, on Thursday, the 12th day of July 1909, before their lordships, Sir Willoughby Osborne, Chief Justice Packard, Justice, Supreme Court Winkfield, Justice, Supreme Court between D.W. Lewis and others, Appellant and Bankole and others, Respondent judgment of the court delivered. In the Privy Council. On Monday, the 2nd day of December 1957. PC 4 1954. Before their lordships. Reed. Justice, Privy Council. Denning. Justice, Privy Council. LMD de Silva. Justice, Privy Council. Between. Twimahi Najibi Kojo, 2. Appellant. And. Opanen Quadro Bossi and another. Respondents. Judgment of the Court delivered by Alfred Thomas the Lord Denning. Appeal, Number 4 of 1954, from a judgment of the West African Court of Appeal, January 9, 1953, affirming a judgment of the Supreme Court of the Gold Coast, Land Court, Ashanti, November 15, 1951, which had reversed a majority judgment of the Asante Hines Court, December 9, 1950, reversing a judgment of the Asante Hines Court,